Alright guys, well I see my rocket and also see two big cows over there. Alright guys, Model Rockets 321 here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be flying. This is a flight video. This is a Model Rocket launch day. Anyway guys, be sure to check out the new release of the Model Rocket 321 trading cards. Wait, hold on. What's this?
Breaking news from the world of model rocketry. Model Rockets 321 trading cards are officially available, and they are already making headlines with collectors, rocket fans, and space lovers everywhere. This limited edition collectible set features 12 unique trading cards created by model rocketeer and artist Keith, bringing together rocket design, imagination, and collector-style artwork in one exciting release. This is one set you will want in your collection. Model Rockets 321 trading cards are available for pre-order right now. Get yours today before they launch out of reach.
Alright guys, to start the day off, we're going to be flying the Red Nova. With this Red Nova, I have an onboard video and I have altimeter inside running. If it didn't shut off by now, I had to do something before this, so hopefully it's still running. But yeah, we're going to get the Red Nova going. This is going on an E12, either E12.6 or E12.8, I forget which one. Sorry about that, we will see. I was going to have a longer delay onboard video. Let's get some altitude. This one is cut down because I made this into a 2-stage, which it performed nicely, but the booster was suffered on landing. It was too heavy. I need to put a parachute in that booster. So I have that on the workbench. At some point I'll get around to making that. But yeah, we're going to get this guy going. Let's do it. Alright guys, here we go. We got the Red Nova. Single stage going on the E12.8, long delay. Got to keep an eye on this onboard video when we were going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Corkscrewed. Alright, keep an eye in that area. Might be below that area. Look for a puff. There's a pop. I see the streamers are out. Yeah, it's way up there, way over there. See, I gotta keep my eye on that. That is way coming down over here. See those long streamers. Long streamers, way over here. Super high flight, hard to see. It disappeared on me. But I have a general area. Oh man, I think I lost it. Lost him. I'm just gonna look in the dark areas over here in the mountain. You see it? It got two bright streamers, so it should be fairly easy to see on the ground. It's over this way. I'm gonna have to go trekking. I have a general area. I saw it for a good while, so if I just continue straight that way, I'll find it. Alright guys, well I see my rocket and also see two big cows over there. Check them out. And I think I had seen one of them before out here. I'm gonna zoom, if I can zoom. Yeah, I had seen them before. I don't know what's going on with this zoom little stick thing. Yeah, it's two cows over there, or bulls. I think they're cows. But the rocket is right here too, so that is super cool. I'm glad this guy landed in a reasonable area. And I'm hoping my altimeter was still running because I had to do some setup stuff. So here we go. Camera's there. Everything's here. Lens, camera. Ooh, that was some ejection. You got some dust on him. But there's two cows over there. So found him. Here's a piece of wadding. altimeters in there, so I will find something out in a moment. All right, guys, so we're gonna get back over here. I'm all the way back over that way. Yeah, those are cows. They just made a mooing sound. All right, guys, next launch. We got the Estes Maurauder, 1980s classic. One of the early ones. Very nice, very nice. These fins like to break, so we'll see. I got a big parachute in there, so we'll see what it does. It's gonna be going on a C65, so we're gonna do this. Let's get it. We got the Estes Maurauder. And we are going Estes Maurauder, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. And we got parachute out. Nice. Take that. Coming down over us very nicely, right? Pretty much directly over us, but we're going to get some drift. Estes Maurauder. 1980s stuff there doing it. Nice, coming down. Graceful, graceful. Lost him. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's a big parachute, so I got him coming out. Pretty gentle. I didn't want to break a fin. Let's see where he's going to be. Check him out. Hanging. Getting some hang time. Look at that. Soft landing. Slow, slow. Don't break a fin. That's nice. Perfect. Laid down on the ground. Alright, guys, we're going to recover this guy. 3, 2, 1. Stay tuned. Also, guys, Model Rocks 321 and Estes. So going over to Estes website, Estes Rockets. They make all the rockets for the most part. A lot of other companies out there too, but go to Estes, use my discount code, get yourself a nice discount on rockets, motors, all kinds of stuff. Anything you will need, go get that discount. Discount code is IN_321. This is in the bottom left of your screen. Go over there, get that discount. It's a one-time use, so fill your cart. One-time use, so fill your cart and get that discount. And let them know Keith over at Model Rocks 321 sent you. Out here doing it for you guys. Building, launching, flying rockets. I got the classics. Mystery box coming soon. That's going to be in my shop. Go over there, get that. You'll see it. You're not going to know what's in it, but I'm definitely not going to hook you guys up. I'm not going to disappoint. It's going to be a great one. But here we have the Maurauder. Land. I put that big parachute on there so I can get a nice gentle landing. Yep, had a fin break there years ago. Yeah, we did good. We did good. There we go. That was textbook. I'll call that textbook. Nice flight right there. Let's do it. Let's get another one going. All right, guys, here we go. Last flight of the day. We have the Estes K-35 Constellation. This is a recent build. I finished it all up. Got the altimeter in there. It's all nice and beautiful. I got it on the C67, so we're going to get some altitude. I'm trying to see. They predicted 1,200 feet. We'll see what it does. We're going to see what it do with this extra weight added, you know, so we'll see. In a little breeze. Everything affects everything, so we're going to see what it do. K-35 Constellation coming up on a C67. All right, here we go. The Estes Constellation going on a C67. Expecting max altitudes. Keep an eye on this guy, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out of sight. Oh, there's a pop. There he is. Definitely went out of sight. Nice. Whoa, that's high up there. Just might be 1,200. You guys see that body up there reflecting in the sun? Oh yeah, nice. It's coming on home. Yeah, cool. There we go. Let me get back on him for you guys. There we go. Nice. Yeah, I can't wait to see this altitude. I want to see with the altimeter in there what it did. K-35 Estes Constellation. He's still up there pretty high. Yeah, oh, he's coming. He's coming. See if I can get back in on him for you. There you go. Yeah, he's same area as the last Yeah, same area as the Maurauder. Yeah, land in the same area. There you go. Nice. Pretty close to the pad still. I'll take that. That's a good deal. Model Rocks 321 is here. Out here doing it. Before the heat kick in, it has been hot, 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 guys. So I just want to say the heat here in Arizona. I think the whole country's been getting some good heat though, but we are, you know, it's Arizona. We get this big heat. Just gotta go out, do this stuff early, get back in before it even peak up. Right now, it is nice right now. It's probably like 74, 75. Nice. It is nice temps right now. So let's go check out the Estes Constellation. Balsa nose cone. Balsa bulkhead. Altimeter. C67 engine, just flying it. Classic setup. Old school rocket. I think this thing came out before I was born. It's crazy. This is a reissue limited edition version of it that I grabbed. And there he is. Everything seemed to be intact. Good deal on the fins. I'll take it. I'm not worrying about little scratches and stuff like that. It ain't even got any. Look at that. That clear coat on there. Everything's sealed in. Nice. Altimeter. Oh, check that out. So I could read through the window. Let's see what we got. 224 miles an hour. I'll read this. Let me see. I don't want to do that. I'll do it now. I usually like to do this at my debrief, which stay tuned for the debrief. 3, 2, 1 here. All right, guys. All right, guys, welcome back. It is debriefing time. Today you saw 3 flights. You saw my cut down Red Nova, you saw the Maurauder, and you saw the Estes K-35 Constellation. Started the day out with the cut down version of the Estes Red Nova. Got a little crack on the fin there from hitting. Just noticed that. Great flight overall. It had a little corkscrew action going on in that E-motor. It leaped off the pad really quick. Like I said, it corkscrewed up. No onboard video. I'm sorry. The camera, I think it's done. I don't know. It seemed to be acting weird. Start recording, then don't get nothing. Even though that one did hit the ground pretty hard. Yeah, the E12 8 motor, long delay. Hit the ground hard, probably ejecting, pointing straight down. Got a lot of char here, as you can see. Yeah, it just burns. It was probably pointing straight down. Ejection, that probably was too long of a delay. Because I thought it was going to be hauling super fast. But this fin right here got a little crack. So I can fix that easily. When I get this back flying, the booster, I had it out. Where is the booster? Here's the booster. If you've been around, you'll know I had 2-stage the Red Nova. Booster hit the ground. It separated, had a streamer inside here, but it just burned that off and it nosedived and it hit. And you can see the motor still in there. It jammed everything forward from impact. It hit and went forward. Still char falling out. And this was probably 2 years ago. So if I can get this rebuilt and get a hatch built, man, I couldn't. But the motor is so long, so I don't know if I can get a hatch built and do the same thing like they did with the Vogel. Estes figured a way. They made it where a little hatch pops out and the parachute can come out the side. It's pretty nice. So getting all that to happen will be a task. But anyway, just an idea. But yeah, it corkscrewed up, went really high. I think the altitude on the altimeter was 8 something. Let me get the altimeter. That would have been that was this first, no, that was the first flight. Yeah, first flight. I think I ran out. I did run altimeter. Let me see. Because there's a few flights in here now. I know I had another one where I used it. Let me see what we got. Let's see if I can scroll through these things. No, I'm not going to be able to get it. Anyway, I don't want to waste too much time with that. But I think it topped out at around 800 something feet. I thought it would have went higher. Being this is a small rocket, but it had a small breeze out there, and a breeze can affect those. But that was the first flight of the day, and I also flew the Estes Maurauder, which is one of my favorites from way back. It's a 1980s deal. This is an original one that I built. I had one a long time ago. That one's long gone, but this is a newer built one. This is the C65 motor, an old C65 motor. It performed well. Flew nice. Very nice flight. That was a textbook perfect case flight. Had a bigger parachute than they recommend. They recommend a 12-inch parachute on this, and I always thought it should be bigger, especially with those fins and where I'm flying at. But that bigger orange parachute landed nice. Here I got a little stuff happening with the paint, but I don't mind at all. So it was a great flying rocket, super flight, nice. Then the K-35 Constellation is all built. Got the vintage Estes logo right there. This one is the latest flight. Let me see what we got. 785 feet for this one. 785. It predicted, that just seems low, I believe. I think that's kind of low. There's a C67. Yeah, C67 motor, and that just seems way low. I don't know. Something just seems off with that. I don't know if the equipment is kind of on the fritz, but that's what it says. But anyway, that was the flights for the day, guys. Anything else to share? I think that's it. Just stay tuned for more. Shop@estesrockets.com. Use the discount code IN_321. It's a one-time use. So if you never used it, just go on and put your it's a one-time use. Just go on and put your code in and load up your cart. Get everything you want to get. Also, the Model Rockets 321 trading cards are available. Support that. Support all things we got going on here. And the mystery box. The mystery box is coming. Check the community post. You'll see something about it. I'll put a video up about it. It will be for sale. It's going to be nice. I'm not slacking. You will get a box full of stuff and some classic, valuable stuff. I'm not going to slack on you. You're going to get your value plus in this kit. Or in this box. Yeah, so there we have it, guys. 3 launches. We did our thing. Model Rockets 321. And I'm out. Take care.